then by thy fading sleep will stay, or with thy crafty closing, thy coins repose.
Oh, finally you've made an appearance. Finally.
Ye gads, I'm getting away from Marlowe, actually. Hence the 21st century suitcase. He's always plagiarizing my stuff. Marlowe. I have to speak like that because, I'm Shakespeare. Anyway, may I just chuck this towards you?
Can I take this too? Your stuff?
You may.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Ye gads, welcome, 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 all ye lads and lassies of the 21st century, the learning community, I'm told. And thank you, Aditi, for that ditty. So sweet of you, so sweet of you. Well, here I am, because I'm going to look at metaphor, meaning, and memory. I have to keep it rhyming, you see. And I'm going to do it with a monologue, a dialogue, and a multilogue. But before I do all that, let me introduce to you this underling.
Underling?
Well, sorry.
Excuse me.
Insect, sorry.
Excuse me. I thought I was your accomplice.
Not in the least. You're the Bonnie to the Clyde. Right. You're the Sancho to the Don Quixote.
Okay,
right?
Enough.
Just be there. You're the Potter.
Right.
So, Mridula Agarwal, the underling. I'm old man time. Surprised? What did you expect? What did you expect? The old man in the moon? Actually, I don't like to brag, though I do. I don't like to brag, but you see, if I appeared to you the way I really was, you wouldn't be able to fathom it.
Of course.
Because they're so dumb. So, I beg your pardon. Underlings, weaklings. Right, you had to say something to me.
Right. So, maybe you can tell me where you have come from.
अरे भाई,
कहाँ से आए हैं आप?
बहुत दूर से आया हूँ. I have to speak in Hindi, you see. I've been told bilingual business in this century and in this NEP. We have to be bilingual. So please forgive me for my Hindi, right? Sudhanshu Trivedi said that, the Hindi. So here I am with the Hindi, please. You see, why have I kept her? I'm suffering a bit from dementia. What do you expect from somebody 500 years away from
dementia, Alzheimer's, the works. That's why I'm here.
Exactly. Would you mind getting back?
Okay.
You're coming into the way.
Okay, if you insist.
Right. दूर बहुत से आया हूँ, कुछ खास तमाशे लाया हूँ. अरे मेरा नाम है शेक्सपियर वाला. यार, अंग्रेजी भाषा का रखवाला. 3 बंदर हैं मेरे पास. ये तो एक बंदरिया है ही.
बंदरिया again?
अरे 3 बंदर हैं मेरे पास. सब है
better.
अपने आप में खास. अरे बोलो, तुम क्या बुरा सुनोगे?
नहीं सुनेंगे.
अरे तुम्हें किसने कहा? इनसे पूछो. बोलो, तुम क्या बुरा सुनोगे?
बताइए. नहीं सुनेंगे हम, नहीं सुनेंगे.
क्या बन रहे हैं? अच्छा भले सुनते हैं.
और आपने रचाया क्या है?
अरे मैंने रचाया एक मानव खेल जिससे है इस दुनिया से मेल. और दूर मैं लाता हूं एक अजीब और यूनिक खेल. और इसमें क्या है? इसमें है प्रेम, इसमें है नफरत, इसमें है शांति, अशांति, हर तरह की भाषा. बोलो, तुम क्या बुरा बोलोगे?
नहीं बोलेंगे.
सुनते ही नहीं. महात्मा गांधी के बंदर हैं.
बिल्कुल. पर मुझे दूर से एक आवाज सुनाई दे रही है.
अरे दूर है एक ढोल के बोल. ये दुनिया बड़ी अनमोल. बोलो, तुम क्या बुरा देखोगे?
हाँ
देखोगे. बोलो ना, ये हुई बात. ताली.
बोलिए. देखेंगे.
बड़ी गंदी ऑडियंस है. निकलो मैं. मार्लो बुला रहा है. फिर पॉपिंग चल रही है.
पर देखने से पहले won't you like to thank this august gathering?
Oh, of course, of course, of course. Thank God I'm back to my own Oxonian role. Asha, my darling, are you around? Asha, thank you for having me here, and also for the award, which was a bit tricky, but thank you very much for that, right? And of course, I would like to thank so much the others who are around here. Ashok, thank you, and Sudha, forgive my accent, and of course, PR Singh, thank you for allowing me to be here. Many managements don't like that, right? Okay, so
let's
thank you.
start.
Thank you.
Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start.
Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with
ABC.
अरे इनको आता है यार.
बिल्कुल आता है.
When you sing, you begin with
Do, re, mi.
जोर से बोलिए.
Do, re, mi.
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Ti, usha, ti, to.
Let's go back to your childhood, your past.
Which part of my past is a bit tricky?
Right.
Which part?
When you were in Bombay.
Oh, yes, of course. Bombay, when Bombay was Bombay, when the names were the names. Not Mumbai, whatever. Anyway, and so I was in Bombay, and I was, 6 years old? I remember, do you remember, if any of you are my vintage, Geoffrey Kendall, do you remember him? Anybody remembers Geoffrey Kendall? Put your hands up, who knows Geoffrey Kendall? Just 6 people. So you can imagine how young this audience is. Forgive me. I don't even know if you know how to spell Shakespeare. I'm sure you do. Anyway, so Geoffrey Kendall used to come along with his gorgeous wife called Laura. She wasn't gorgeous, but I have to say gorgeous because gori thi. Or gori agar ho to har cheez gorgeous hoti hai.
Like her. See? Again, it's I, me, myself again.
Absolutely. Ari, don't you know that about me, darling?
Yeah.
And then he was always followed by these 2 sisters. I didn't find them rather attractive. One was Felicity, and the other was Jennifer, who went and married that Shashi, not Tharoor, Tharoor Kapoor. They all hey, I was a poet and I didn't even know it. Tharoor Kapoor. Which one did he marry? Shashi.
Our
She
very
married-
own Shashi Kapoor, the
Got
one
that
from
right.
Bollywood.
Absolutely.
Okay, right.
Absolutely.
Right. And what happened in the year 1599?
Right. In the year I don't know what happened in 1599, for God's sake, woman. But I do know
on,
that
I'm
when
sure you
Geoffrey Kendall came over and he magnetized us by showing us 1599 and the opening of the globe. And it was fabulous because it was on the banks of the River Thames. Yes.
With its kings and clowns and court gestures.
Its kings and clowns, its ups and downs, its loves and sorrows lost, Macbeth on the blasted heath. And there were Caesars with their thrones and crowns. And there were tempests tossed in Midsummer Night's Dreams. And that's the way as Shakespeare, the message sends to you, my universal friends.
And then at the age of 11,
At the age of 11, what happened at the age of 11?
Where
I'm
did
trying
you
to
go?
recollect. Oh, yes. At the age of 11, oh, right, my father put me in the Royal Academy of Dramatic Arts in England for a summer camp. And that's where he was there as a deputy naval advisor, I think. And that's where my love for Shakespeare grew. Wow, I'll never forget that.
good morrow, ladies and gentlemen. I present before you the bard, Shakespeare, the man for all seasons.
That's me, absolutely. And what I want to say to you in all familiarity is that Ben Jonson of me does say it. You know Ben Jonson. You don't know Ben Jonson. How would they know Ben Jonson? Poor things. They don't know Shakespeare. Anyway, but you know Ben Jonson. And Ben Jonson used to say of me that I am a man who belongs to all races and all cultures. And that's the kind of man I am. And I'm not going to get into oblivion.
For him, the whole world is a stage.
Absolutely. For us, The whole world's a stage, and we are but players with our entrances and exits, as said Aditi with her ditty. Yes.
Here standeth before ye thy universal friend, Will Shakespeare, born
Please.
23rd April,
Thank you.
1564.
Thank you very much.
Died
Clap,
23rd
clap. I'm
April,
bowing, for God's sake.
1616.
Awful audience. Well, isn't that odd that I was born the way I died, and I died the day I was born? A bit odd. But it was never said of me that I was a normal character, and I would disappear without awe. Sans teeth, sans wine, sans everything. Here I am, 500 years later, talking to you.
Shakespeare's sonnets and ballets, winners of love and loss, joy and sorrow, all in the same good morrow. Do you remember the ballad in Midsummer Night's Dream?
Midsummer Night's Dream?
Yes.
Was it about love? Yes, I seem to
Yes,
remember.
of
I seem to remember
of
that.
course.
There was a lover and his lass, with a hey and a ho and a hey nonny no, that o'er the green cornfields did pass in the springtime. The springtime, the only pretty ring time when birds do sing. Hey ding, come on
Hey
guys.
ding.
Hey ding,
Hey ding,
hey ding,
hey ding.
hey ding-a-ling-a-ling, sweet
Hey,
lovers
ding-a-ling-a-ling.
love the spring. Forgive my voice, it's the journey.
That was about love. What about marriage?
Marriage. Anyway, love is a many splendor thing. You can be in it, you can be out of it, you can be with it. How many of you are in love? So there are some people who look that they're perpetually in love. One of them is Rachna Pant. Pant. Is there another word saying pant? But Rachna Pant is perpetually in love, perpetually smiling. So let me not to the marriage of true minds admit impediments. Love is not love that alters when alteration finds, or bends with the remover to remove. No, it's an ever-fixed mark that smiles on tempests and is never shaken. Voila.
The beauty of Shakespeare is that his poetry and prose find parallel in all genres and languages. When Macbeth said, "Alas, poor country,"
There is something rotten in the state of Denmark, said Hamlet, Prince of Denmark. And then that rings into what is said in our country today, "Har shaak pe ullu baitha hai, anjame gulista kya hoga?"
and again in Hamlet, what a piece of work is man.
What do I
Khud
say?
ko kar.
That's right. खुद को कर बुलंद इतना कि खुदा हर तकदीर से पहले पूछे बोल बंदे तेरी रजा क्या है. Very similar.
And on the same theme of the bard, out, out.
Tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow creeps in this petty pace from day to day, and all our yesterdays have lighted fools to dusty death. Out, out, brief candle, life's but a walking shadow, where a poor player struts and frets his hour upon the stage, and then is heard no more. It is a sad stale, full of sound and fury, signifying nothing. Talia.
Isn't this very akin to Omar Khayyam's quatrain, where he compares life to a checkerboard?
Khayyam. Actually, it's Fitzgerald's translation. "'Tis but a checkerboard of nights and days, where destiny for men as pieces plays, and checks and mates and slays, and one by one in the closet lays."
Wait, isn't there a childhood memory connected to this?
Oh yeah, so many childhood memories. God, yes, there's one. You see, I think I must have been 8 years old. Many things happened to me between 6 and 8. Anyway, I was 8 years old when my father was sailing. And in those days, when you did a foreign voyage, you got a foreign voyage, because apne jaise kale gore nahi jate the. So it was a foreign voyage. And it took 1.5 years to go around the Cape of Good Hope and come back to Bombay, right?
1.5 years?
That's right. That's
Wow.
a foreign voyage. Me and my
Wow.
mum were left. We were abandoned, along with my sister. Anyway, but every naval officer's child was abandoned. So what happened was that he said to me, he was a very strange disciplinarian. He thought my mum is going to give me a hard time or a good time in his absence. So he said, "Here, this is the Rubai. And it is the translation of Edward Fitzgerald, the Rubai. Now, I want you to learn every single quatrain. It had 158 quatrains.
He made you learn 158 quatrains by heart.
He did, my dear.
Oh my
So much for
God.
rote. So much for rote. But had I not been brought up on that note, would I be here today, dear friends? So much for rote.
So again, you're showing off.
And I need to. I'm great. Why shouldn't I?
Yeah,
What's wrong
again,
with
it's the I and the show off and the showbiz. That's all you want.
Absolutely. So what do you want me to do?
Okay, so maybe one more quatrain.
Which one?
Just one.
Which
maybe about the door and the key.
Madhu. Oh, Madhu. I never saw Madhu. So there was a door to which I found no key. There was a veil past which I could not see. Some little talk a while of thee and me. There was no more of me and thee.
There was
Fitzgerald.
there was no more. There was no more of thee and me in this battered world.
Think of this world as a battered caravanserai whose doorways are alternate night and day, where sultan after sultan abode his hour or two and went his way.
Enough. This is not about you.
I thought
It's
it
about
was. It's me.
Shakespeare the
It's me.
Bard. So can we get on with it?
I'm trying to, if you keep
Right,
talking.
right. So with your permission,
Yes.
may I continue?
Please do.
We change, yet we continue to be the same. It has been centuries since the bard walked this earth. Yet, in the words of Leonard Cohen,
Leonard Cohen. What a man. How many of you know Leonard Cohen? Please say you know him at least. Guys at the back? No. वो भी नहीं जानते. Anyway, the wars, they will be fought again. The dove of peace will be caught again. And bought and sold and bought again. Ring the bells that still can ring. Forget your perfect offering. There is a crack in everything. But that's how hope, peace, but also conflict gets in. Go ahead.
conflict. Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai. Kahani to hai wahi bhai. In The Merchant of Venice, the bard dwelt upon one such conflict, wherein Shylock wanted his pound of flesh. He wanted his revenge.
Want it? Why do I want it? Because I want to bait fish withal. If it'll feed nothing else, it'll feed my revenge. My revenge. They've laughed at me. They've mocked me on the Rialto. They've laughed at my losses and mocked my gains. And for what? Because I'm a Jew. Tell me, hath a Jew not eyes? Hath a Jew not hands, affections, passions, emotions? If you tickle us, will we not laugh?
I'm sure we will.
If you prick us, will we not bleed? And if you wrong us, will we not revenge? If a Christian, if a Jew wrongs a Christian, what happens? Revenge. Well, now that Antonio has wronged me, and if a Christian wrongs a Jew, it's going to be revenge on the Rialto, and I want that pound of flesh.
Ye kya majra?
क्या माजरा? यहूदियों या ईसाइयों, हिंदू या मुसलमान, मस्जिद या मंदिर, ये क्या माजरा? ये कैसा जुनून है? ना तेरा ना मेरा एक ही तो खून है. यहूदियों ने गिराया या ईसाइयों ने मंदिरों में या मस्जिदों में, ये क्या माजरा? ये कैसा जुनून है? एक ही तो खून है, एक ही तो खून है.
To which Portia, the angel of justice, replies,
The quality of mercy is not strained. It droppeth from heaven like the gentle rain. It blesses him that gives and him that takes. It is twice blessed. It is mightier than the mightiest. In fact, it's an attribute to God himself. The quality of mercy is not strained.
Do you remember Macbeth? A tale of agony and strife, of soaring ambitions that paced the night when the three witches met.
When shall we three meet again? In thunder, lightning, or in rain? When the hurly burly's done, when the battle's lost and won, where the place upon the heath, there to meet with Macbeth? I come, Grimalkin, paddock calls, fair is foul and foul is fair, that hover through the fog and filthy air.
Where hast thou been, sister?
And where thou? A sailor's wife had chestnuts in her lap, and she munched, and she munched, and she munched. Give me, quoth I. Her husband's to Aleppo gone, master of the tiger, but in a sea I'll thither sail, and like a rat without a tail, I will do, and I will do, and I will do. I give thee wind, and I another, and I myself have all the others.
What have you here? Show me, show me.
Here I have a pilot's thumb, wrecked as homeward he did come. A drum,
Macbeth doth come. A drum, Macbeth doth come. A drum, Macbeth doth come. Stop. Hark. Is this Shakespeare or is it a tantric cauldron that you're brewing? Look. You're brewing something. I can see that.
It's business, tantric, religion, tantric. Anyway, let me get back to my stuff, the cauldron.
Yeah.
Right. Hubble, bubble, toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble. Look at the filly of a fenny snake, in the cauldron boil and bake. Hubble, bubble, toil and trouble.
And what are these?
So withered and so wild in their attire that look not like the inhabitants of this earth, and yet are on it. Speak, if you can, and look into the grains of time, and say which grain will grow and which will not. Speak, and tell me, what is my future? Speak.
To which Khayyam replies.
Are Khayyam, bhaiya, talaffuz.
Maaf
Talaffuz,
kijiye.
Khayyam,
Maaf kijiye.
Khayyam. Kahiye.
To
Sorry,
which Khayyam replies.
Hindi. To which
With
to
the
which one?
moving
The
finger.
moving finger writes, and having writ moves on. Nor all their piety nor wit can lure it back to cancel half a line, nor all your tears wash out a single word of it.
Caesar, the mighty colossal that striketh the world, even he couldn't predict the plot that would unfurl, in spite of being warned.
Caesar, beware the Ides of March. It's my husband's birthday, actually, 15th March. I wake up every morning and say, Caesar, beware the Ides of March on the 15th. And he says, they've come but not gone. And so it was with Caesar. Beware the Ides of March.
Oh, pardon me.
Oh, pardon me, thou bleeding piece of earth, that I am so gentle with these butchers. Thou art the remains of the best man that ever lived.
And in the words of Ghalib, ah ko chahiye.
Ghalib. Ah ko
Ghalib.
chahiye. एक उम्र असर होने तक, अरे कौन जीता है तेरी जुल्फ के सर होने तक, शम्मा हर रंग में जलती है सहर होने तक, आशिके सब्र तलब और तमन्ना बेताब, अरे दिल का क्या रंग करूं खूने जिगर होने तक. Forgive me, thou bleeding piece of earth. खूने जिगर होने तक.
And Mark Antony says,
Friends, Romans and countrymen, I come here not to... Thank you, Usha, thank you. I come not to bury Caesar, next line, but, thank God, but to praise him. The good that men do is often interred in their bones, but the evil lives on after them. Cap, what do you say? AJ, do you agree? Right.
two families, both of dignity, start a new mutiny. Their children, Romeo and Juliet, the star-crossed lovers.
Oh, Romeo, Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? Change thy name. There was another angle. Oh, Romeo, Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? Juliet, I'm in the kitchen cooking pulao. But how
Come on, you've entered the kitchen now.
This is the effect of WhatsApp and this nonsensical century.
Right.
Sorry.
Can we get back to Shakespeare?
Yes, sorry, this is all gone wrong.
Okay, a rose.
Right, thank you.
Yes, let's get back.
Romeo, Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? Oh, Romeo, would you change thy name from a Capulet to a Montague? What's in a name? A rose by any other name smells just as sweet. Plastic. Nonsense. I mean, can't you get the props, woman?
I gave you the rose to remind you of the ballad.
Oh, I'm sorry. Go on.
The ballad of the rose.
What was it?
Would you like
a
to sing
rose will bloom, a rose will fade, and so will the fairest maid. A rose will bloom, a rose will fade. Shakespeare.
The bard painted women in many hues. Portia, the angel of justice that you just heard. Titania, the fairy queen who fell in love with a donkey.
Donkey? What nonsense! He was the most gorgeous man that ever lived. I love the man. I adore him. Now I want you to feed him berries. I want you to gallop every time he comes.
No,
Gallop in his race. Gallop.
sorry. I can't do that because if I did and if I fell, I wouldn't be able to
Mustard
get up.
seed.
I wouldn't be
Get her
able
off.
to get up.
Get her off.
No, it ain't going to happen.
Honeysuckle, mustard seed, get her off.
What about Desdemona who reminded Othello?
The green-eyed monster of envy. The green-eyed monster of envy feeds upon the very meat that feeds it.
And in the 12th night, Voila,
What is it? I can't recollect
she
it.
talks about music.
Let music be the food of love. Play on, making abundance where famine lies.
And the greatest and most powerful character of them all, Lady Macbeth.
Come, you spirits that tend on mortal thoughts, unsex me here. Fill me to the toe, crown full of direst cruelty. Make thick my blood. Come to my woman's breasts and take my milk for gall wherever you are, you murdering ministers in your sightless substances. Come so that heaven does not see the wound it makes into the night and cry, hold, hold, hold. Even the perfumes of Arabia will not wash out the blood.
Such is the stuff that dreams are made of. Now that you've sat back and watched this show, let this day not go in vain, or all our efforts would be all in vain. As we part and fade away into the night, may we shine in your memory ever bright.
Parting is such sweet sorrow, but hark, there will be a tomorrow. Perhaps the next chairman will call me.
Unless they've had enough of you.
But I forgot they had enough of
Yes.
me. Yeah. Thanks, Asha, again, wherever you are, in your sightless substances. Hark, there will be a... So back to the act. Hark, there will be a tomorrow. Adieu,
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 adieu, sweet
until
adieu.
again the sweet love renews. Ladies and gentlemen, Mridula Agarwal.
Thank you. And Shakespeare, Dr. Vatal.
I think this deserves a
Thank
standing
you.
ovation.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Aditi,
Dr. Vatal,
Aditi,
Mridula.
Rashmi.
Thank you.
this was,
Thank
it transported us to another world. In fact, all over the world.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Slow and bright I fade, sleep with hours day. Oh, with thy crafty toils